My name is Kimber Weedle, and this is my communication chart for Riverside USD 114. So I use Creately to create my chart. It was an easy, it explained itself, very simple to use. The only issue I had was I ran into almost losing my chart as soon as I went to save it and download it. It was not wanting to save for me. So let's go ahead and go to the assignment. And on the left side, we have internal communication, that is a light blue. Then on the right side, we have external communication, which is the white. The one-way arrow is one-way communication. The two-way arrow is the two-way communication, and I kind of grouped them as well as being outlined white and a darker blue, so you can kind of see the groups a little bit better. So start with administration. For the administration, they communicate with the staff, the students, and with the Board of Education. The way that they do this is through email, face-to-face, and meetings. Those are the two-way communication. The one-way communication would be surveys. The staff communicates two ways most of the time, and that is face-to-face, meetings, or emails. And most of the time that should be a two-way. Some people just don't respond. Then you've got the students. The students will communicate mainly to the staff, the teachers. And the two-way communication is email and face-to-face. Some teachers also will send the students surveys about their class and understanding things. Then you have the Board of Education. The Board of Education usually just communicates with the administrators. So the way they communicate is email, face-to-face, and meetings. They also will send out surveys as well to the teachers to get some ideas of some situations. Alright, so on the right side we have external communications. I chose parents, community members, organizations, and partners. So the parents, the two-way communication with administration and with the teachers are email, Class Dojo, and face-to-face. Those are at least the ways I know that the middle school communicates to the parents. The one-way communication is a all-call system we have that will call parents when like snow days, anything like that have happened. We have a social media like Facebook that is up that will also communicate with parents, tell them information, and our school website will as well. Community members, it's usually just a one-way communication, and that's with the school website or social media, which is our Facebook. Our organizations, we will communicate two-way with email and face-to-face, as well as the social media. Anybody can get on our social media. With the partners and all of that, we do a two-way communication with email, face-to-face, as well as a one-way communication with social media. We always have for everyone the option of phone. It's just not every teacher has a phone in their classroom, so it does make that option a lot harder to use. Thank you.